Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
सरकाराकडेन परिस्थिती हाताळपा येना म्हणून काँग्रेसीचो बोवाळ.
ताबडतोब फर्स्ट स्टेप ही सगळे आमदाराची सॅलरी बंद राखप पाहिजे आणि आमदाराक फॅसिलिटीज दे कॅन गो टू प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल. आमी लोक निवडून दिता ते खंय निवडून येतात आमचे सेवा करपाक आनी सगळी गणितां तेंची सेवा जावपाची. सो आय हॅव प्लेस्ड द क्रिटिकल सिट्युएशन एंड माय डिमांड फ्रॉम दीस गव्हर्मेंट आर 2-3. Stop the salaries immediately. No MLA is doing any work. You are not allowed to. The MLA is not questioning, neither they are getting answers. So what work is they doing? Fix the rates for the private hospitals immediately.
मडगावचे जिल्लो कोविड हॉस्पिटल जाता तितले बेगीन ऑपरेशनल करूंक आरोग्य खात्याने आनी मंत्र्याची धांवपळ.
Latest by Friday, I will have one more meeting. Saturday, I think we should be good to go. Now it will be mild to moderate, and then we will ultimately create all the facilities for ITU and even for high dependence unit. But let us first start with mild to moderate because we require bed capacity. So we will increase the bed capacity by immediately starting with 250 beds. If required, based on the occupancy, we will further increase it. So we are ultimately we can target between 300 to 400 beds in this hospital, but we will go in a phased manner.
Bureau report Prudent.